Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Thanksgiving surprise fold. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the folding. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm just going to fold it in half like this, just kind of like you're making a birthday card. Then I'm going to turn my paper and I'm just going to fold it in half this way, just straight down, just like this. So that way when you open up your paper, it will go all the way down like this. So I'm going to make a little turkey on here. So I'm going to start off just by making the head of the turkey. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves around like this. And then I'm going to make the body. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve a little bit wider, and then kind of come up like this, and just connect right there. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye, and then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go up and then down, and another one that's just going to go down and up, kind of like a little diamond shape. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line in here. Then on the eyes, I'm going to make a big circle right here, and then a big circle inside this one. And then I'm just going to draw a little circle, and I'm going to color in the rest of it. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a couple little lines, or little curves up here for some feathers. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves out, and then I'm going to curve up, and then down to here. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line, I'm just going to curve down, and then up again. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes out. And I'm going to draw a line that curves up and around like this for a toe. And then another one here. And then I'm just going to make a line that just goes down and up. And then just a little line that comes back here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a little line that goes out, and then another one that goes here. Then a line that just curves around here, and then another one for another toe. And then just draw a line that goes down and then curves up to here. Now right here around the beak, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves around and then up for the little gobble. And then starting right around here, I'm going to draw some feathers for the turkey. So I'm going to draw a little curved line here. Then I'm going to make one that just kind of goes right around here. And then another one up here. Then I'll do the same thing over here. Start one right here. Another one right here, and then one more right here. Then I'm just going to draw a little belly on the turkey. And I'm going to give the turkey some eyebrows up here too. Okay, so now when I open it up, I just have the turkey body down here and then the head of the turkey up here. So to start right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up into here. And then I'm going to draw a line that just curves right around here and goes to here. Then I'm going to draw two circles for eyes. Going to make two little pupils right here. And then this time I'm going to draw a curved line and then a line that goes down and comes back up for this beak. Make it a little different than the last one. And then I'm just going to make a little gobble that comes down and back up. And then I'm just going to continue with these feathers right here. And I'm just going to go right around here with them and just kind of bring them up here. Then I want to have another turkey right up here. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little circle shape right here for the head. And then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And it's going to kind of curve around. It's going to make it look like a little bowling pin. Then right here, I'm just going to draw two lines that go down. And then I'm going to draw a line that curves right around here for the foot. And then I'm going to add another little curved line for the toe. And then a line back here to finish off the foot. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line, or two little lines that go out. And then kind of like I made these toes, I'm just going to draw a line that curves around here. Another one here. And then I'm just going to go down and connect it for the foot. And make sure that if I'm going too fast, guys, you just hit that pause button and kind of slow it down. Then right here, I'm going to draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to make these eyes a little different. I'm going to kind of do that kind of cute style of eyes and then just kind of color in around it here. I want to make the little beak that just goes down. And then just a little gobble. Then I'm going to draw this wing out, so I'm going to make a little wing that just goes out, and then it's just going to curve back, and then I'm just going to put a few little feathers on here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a little line out, and then it's just going to curve back with a few feathers. And then I'm just going to put some more of those turkey feathers on here, just going to kind of draw a bunch of these lines around here. And then do the same thing over here. And then now for this top one, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around here for the bottom of the turkey. And then I'm just going to draw two little lines that go down and then two little lines over here. Then I'm going to draw a little foot like this and then a little foot like this. Then I'll add a little toe here and then a little toe right there. And then I'm just going to connect these feathers down towards the body. And then you can always add some little details onto each feather. And then I'm going to add some more onto here too. And then when you close it up, you will have your little turkey right here. And then when you open it up, you will have your three turkeys right here. So there you go. There is your drawing of a little Thanksgiving surprise fold with three turkeys. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.